Hey Formula One community, welcome back to another F1 update. So today let's talk about round 3 of the 2026 season, the Japanese Grand Prix. Every year it has something spectacular for us to offer, and this year was no different. Kimi Antonelli, he recovered from a lackluster start to win the Japanese Grand Prix by nearly 14 seconds from Oscar Piastri and Charles Leclerc, executing a commanding drive to secure his second victory of the season. The Mercedes pair endured a frustrating opening lap as Antonelli and Russell was slow to get away from the front row, allowing the McLaren driver Piastri to take the lead, while Leclerc similarly gained 2 positions. With the Italian driver falling down to 6th, Piastri continued to take control of the field despite numerous challenges from Russell, who ultimately lost out by pitting just before the safety car was deployed for Oliver Behrmann's unfortunate crash. And it was a really heavy crash with a lot of impact, almost 40 to 50 G-forces. So thankfully he's okay and recovering, and he is going to be back at it again in the next race. Contrastingly, Antonelli, he saved up time in the slowed conditions and reclaimed his lead at the front, building up a significant gap over Piastri following the restart. His teammate in the other Silver Arrows, meanwhile, missed out on a podium for the first time in the 2026 season, as he was unable to find a way to pass Charles Leclerc in the closing laps. So the Ferrari is also really fast, and the main competitors this season for the championship is primarily going to be the Mercedes and Scuderia Ferrari. But let's see how it turns out. We have a whole season ahead of us. Definitely midway we are going to see who's going to potentially come out on top. But in this year, it was the strongest race for McLaren so far. Lando Norris, he came out on top in his battle with Hamilton for 5th place, and Alpine's Pierre Gasly held off Max Verstappen for 7th place over the line. Further behind, Lawson and Esteban Ocon rounded out the points finishers for the 3rd round of this season. Now we don't have any race this April, but starting from May, 1st May, we are going to be racing in Miami, and my predictions are that Ferrari could potentially win this race. I'm having high hopes on them. And another milestone achieved by Antonelli is that he is now the youngest championship leader in Formula One history. So at the age of 19, he's definitely done a commendable job. He's out there proving his worth, and definitely Toto has a tough choice to make, that who's going to be the lead driver, because we know what happened back almost a decade ago in 2016 and 2014. How competitive, what happens when you have 2 competitive drivers fighting for the championship. So Toto needs to make a decision. Let's see who comes out on top. It's definitely going to be a run till the end, till Abu Dhabi, like we've seen in the past few championships. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.